What if your morning coffee came with a view from 5,280 feet in the air? Welcome to the next frontier in urban living, mile-high skyscrapers. These aren't just tall buildings. They're vertical cities, designed for a future where the ground is only the beginning. Let's step into a world where your home floats in the clouds, and everything you need is just an elevator ride away. In the future, sustainability isn't optional. It's engineered into the very walls of your home. Imagine a skyscraper wrapped in transparent solar panels, collecting sunlight from every direction. Integrated wind turbines hum silently, harvesting energy from powerful high-altitude gusts. Rainwater is collected and recycled across hundreds of floors. Organic waste is turned into clean energy through bioreactors. These superstructures are designed to produce more energy than they consume, net positive towers built to power entire city blocks. With AI-driven climate systems, each floor maintains perfect conditions, from lush indoor gardens to temperature-regulated apartments. Living in a mile-high tower means never needing to leave it. Everything is vertically integrated: homes, schools, hospitals, grocery stores, even green parks floating between glass floors. Need to commute? High-speed maglev elevators zip you between levels at over 40 miles per hour. Inside, your apartment is a marvel of smart design. Walls made of dynamic glass that shift from transparent to opaque, and AI systems that adapt lighting, temperature, and mood to your schedule. Noise-canceling floors, air purification on every level, smart kitchens that know your diet better than you do. This is convenience redefined. Now, step outside onto your private balcony. 1,000 feet above the clouds, you'll watch lightning storms form below. The sunset isn't just a view, it's a horizon that stretches across continents. For the adventurous, take the glass elevator to the top, a 360-degree sky observation deck, where you can literally watch planes fly below you. Welcome to your front row seat to the edge of Earth. You might be asking, how do you even build a tower a mile high? The answer? A revolution in materials and engineering. Traditional steel and concrete won't cut it. Instead, architects are using carbon fiber reinforcements, graphene composites, recycled polymers, and advanced alloy metals, materials that are lighter, stronger, and more flexible than anything used today. Skyscrapers of the future are designed like living organisms, flexing with the wind, adapting to weather, and responding to seismic activity in real time. At this height, wind pressure exceeds 150 miles per hour. To withstand it, the towers are tapered, vented, and in some cases, suspended from giant tension cables like vertical bridges. Each building is anchored deep into the Earth's crust with foundation systems that resemble the roots of giant trees. And at the core, AI-powered monitoring systems constantly adjust the structure for stability, comfort, and safety. The amenities are unlike anything you've ever seen. Sky gardens bloom with year-round vegetation thanks to climate-controlled vertical farms. Infinity pools dangle off the edge of the 400th floor. Need to unwind? Head to the floating wellness deck with zero-gravity yoga rooms, movie theaters, art galleries, co-working hubs, drone landing pads, AI-guided personal gyms, and even space observatories. Everything is right here above the clouds. It's not just luxury, it's a complete redefinition of lifestyle, wellness, and community. This isn't just science fiction. Projects like Jeddah Tower in Saudi Arabia and Tokyo's Sky Mile Tower are already pushing toward the mile-high mark. In Dubai, engineers are proposing vertical smart cities that float above the skyline. Countries like China and South Korea are experimenting with drone port platforms and floating wind-resistant megastructures. And with AI and robotics taking over construction, these once-impossible visions are now being assembled with sub-millimeter precision. In just a few decades, living in the clouds may be as normal as living in a high-rise today. The ground will become optional, and with sustainability, smart tech, and human imagination reaching new heights, skyscrapers won't just shape skylines. They'll shape the future of how we live. So now the question is, would you live in a city in the clouds? Could you see yourself calling the clouds your home? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're as obsessed with the future as we are, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because the sky is no longer the limit.